Today we'll be installing Torklift camper tie-downs part number F2000 on a Ford F-350. These tie-downs bolt directly to your truck's frame, creating the strongest mounting option possible for your slide camper. Made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, these tie-downs are powder-coated and built to last. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button below for any future installs. Begin on the passenger side. We recommend using the supplied hook brackets for proper tie-down placement, so marking the frame for drilling is properly aligned. Do so by placing the hook bracket on top of the frame just behind the first bed crossmember. Secure bracket to tie down behind the bed crossmember using the supplied 3-inch bolt and a 1/2-inch hex nut. Align the tie down so it sits straight along the frame and the top is level with the bottom of the bed. Mark the frame through the second hole on the left side of the tie down. On the right side, mark the frame through the bottom hole near the bend. Remove the tie down and drill the marked locations using a 1/2-inch drill bit. Prepare the hardware. 2 1/2-inch by 3-inch grade 8 bolts, 1 star washer, 1 1x2-inch plate washer, and 1 additional star washer. Assemble and install these from the inside of the frame outward through the drilled holes. Install the 4 supplied 1/2-inch fender washers, followed by the bevel wedge washers with the thick edge facing down. Reinstall the tie down, aligning all bolts. On each bolt, install 2 flat washers, 1 lock washer, and 1 nut. The tie down will sit slightly away from the frame for clearance. For the driver's side, repeat these steps in the opposite orientation. Route the tie down under the emergency brake cable. Once both sides are installed, torque all fasteners to 60 foot-pounds. The installation of your Torklift camper tie-downs is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.